Managing internal and client projects together can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're juggling deadlines, resources, or different team needs, there are simple strategies and tools that can make all the difference. In this video, I'll show you how to handle both internal and client projects simultaneously so you can stay organized, on schedule, and deliver great results. Let's dive into the first tip. The key to managing multiple projects, whether internal or client-based, is creating a unified system for tracking them all. The challenge comes when you're switching between projects and trying to keep track of deadlines for different clients. This is where a central project management tool comes in handy. It helps you organize everything in one place and gives you an overview of what's due when, without having to check multiple documents or apps. You'll stay on top of all your tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Now, managing internal and client projects together is also about clear communication. If you're leading a team, you need to make sure that everyone is on the same page. Regular check-ins and status updates for both internal and client projects are essential. Whether it's through weekly team meetings or task progress updates in your project management tool, this transparency helps prevent miscommunication and ensures you're all moving toward the same goal. If something's off track with one project, it's easier to adjust in real time. Another important tip is setting realistic priorities for both sets of projects. You might be tempted to focus all your energy on client work because of the deadlines and revenue involved, but your internal projects deserve attention too. I recommend splitting your focus. Allocate specific times of the day or days of the week to either internal or client projects. This will help you balance the workload and ensure that nothing gets overlooked. In addition, use the right project management software to automate repetitive tasks. The software we'll be using in this video has features like task assignment, reminders, and deadline tracking that automate a lot of the manual work. With these features, you'll save time and focus more on delivering high-quality work rather than managing logistics. Plus, when you use software that integrates with other tools, you can easily link your communication channels with your project management. No more switching between apps to find information. Now let's talk about keeping your team engaged. Internal projects often get neglected when client work ramps up, but it's crucial to keep your team motivated on both fronts. Recognize achievements and provide feedback regularly for both client and internal projects. Acknowledging progress, whether it's a successful client deliverable or a milestone in an internal initiative, keeps morale high and ensures everyone stays committed. Lastly, having a flexible approach is important. Plans and deadlines can shift quickly, especially with client projects. If you have a system in place that allows you to adapt to new changes without disrupting your entire workflow, you'll stay on top of everything. This is another reason I highly recommend using a robust project management tool that gives you flexibility and the ability to quickly adjust tasks and timelines. The key takeaway here is that managing internal and client projects together is all about organization, clear communication, and the right tools. A unified system where you can track tasks, communicate clearly with your team, set priorities, and stay flexible will make it easier to handle both types of projects without dropping the ball on either. To recap, 1. Use a unified project management tool to track everything in one place. 2. Ensure clear communication with regular check-ins and updates. 3. Set realistic priorities and allocate time to both internal and client work. 4. Automate repetitive tasks with the right project management software. 5. Keep your team motivated and acknowledge progress regularly. 6. Stay flexible to adapt to any changes that come your way. Don't forget, if you want to try the software we're using today, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below. Make sure to grab it and follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.